Are you looking for a CRM platform that connects everything you need to deliver a superior customer experience? Are you sick of having to use a whole range of marketing software, all cobbled together to complete even the most basic of tasks? Have you ever heard of HubSpot? What's good, guys? It's Ben here from Neighborhood, where we help you find, sell to, and keep your people. HubSpot is a cloud-based marketing and sales platform designed to help businesses reach their target audience. It provides tools for email marketing, social media management, analytics, website optimization, and much more. So it enables you to build relationships with your customers throughout the entire customer journey. With HubSpot, businesses can create personalized customer experiences tailored to the individual user's needs. At Neighborhood, we've been working with HubSpot for over 8 years. Today, I'm going to dive into the top 8 reasons why we choose HubSpot, and we think that you should too. But first, let's go back to basics and explore what HubSpot actually is. HubSpot is an all-inclusive marketing platform, and it provides you with the tools and resources that you need to take your marketing, sales, and service to the next level. They offer a suite of products that are designed to help you to build an effective inbound content strategy, optimize your website, engage with customers, streamline sales process, and measure the results. HubSpot also offers educational resources, such as its knowledge base, courses, content libraries, and conferences, so that you can stay up to date on current industry trends. So, who is HubSpot made for? Whether you're a freelancer or a small business, or you work for a mid-enterprise or an international organization, HubSpot has something to offer everyone. From the free CRM to full-scale sales and marketing automation software, they've got you covered. So no matter who you are or what kind of business you have, HubSpot is guaranteed to make your digital experience faster and more streamlined with more measurable results. But you might still be wondering, why should I choose HubSpot? As I've been harping on about, HubSpot is an all-in-one marketing, sales, and service platform. But you might want me to get a bit more specific than that. So let's dive into the top 8 reasons that you should choose HubSpot. Number 1, comprehensive inbound marketing tools. Inbound marketing not only provides you with a way to connect with potential customers, but also to engage with the ones that you already have. It's all about putting the customers first. Instead of bombarding them with annoying ads, you create valuable content and experiences that attract and engage them. By giving your customers the information that they need and want, you can build strong relationships with them that keep them coming back for more. For businesses seeking sustained growth, inbound approaches make all the difference. It can be used to drive organic traffic and nurture leads, to create more conversion and create higher returns in the long run. Investing in an effective inbound strategy ensures that your business remains competitive in an ever-evolving world of digital marketing. HubSpot's comprehensive suite of tools has revolutionized inbound marketing. From top-of-the-line content creation rules to robust analytics and tracking, it can help you get the most out of your content. And that's just scratching the surface. HubSpot offers automated segmentation capabilities and lead qualification tools that help you to build hyper-targeted campaigns. It's got everything you need to truly maximize the effectiveness of your inbound marketing efforts. Moving on to number 2, it's ease of use. If you're looking for an intuitive and user-friendly tool to manage your digital marketing efforts, HubSpot is the way to go. You'll find getting campaigns up and running is an absolute breeze. With everything centralized in the one place, it's so easy to access customer data and analyze the effectiveness of the campaigns. And since multiple third-party integrations are available, like popular payment gateways, tracking your sales has never been more easy or seamless. Even if you're not tech savvy, HubSpot's onboarding services and helpful guides can help bring you up to speed and take full advantage of the features and functionalities. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or completely new to the game, HubSpot has something for everyone. And with its commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction, there's always something new to learn. Next up at number 3, automation and segmentation. HubSpot makes it easy to target and connect with your ideal customers. The task of creating automated campaigns can be daunting without the right tool. But HubSpot simplifies this with an intuitive drag and drop interface. With different templated and customizable options at your fingertips, setting up automated email campaigns takes no time at all. Even complex message flows for segmented groups of subscribers can be set up quickly thanks to easy to follow steps that guide you along the way. And why is segmentation so important? Well, studies have shown that using segmented email lists drove higher open rates, lower unsubscribe rates, better deliverability, and greater revenue. With HubSpot's amazing automation and segmentation tools, you can save time while still providing personalized email and marketing content. Number 4, detailed analytics and reporting. If you're looking for a comprehensive analytics solution to boost your business operations, HubSpot is the way to go. With HubSpot, you can easily access real-time data to gain essential insights into the performance of your website and marketing strategies. This will put your mind at ease as you make informed, data-driven decisions and not shots in the dark. In addition, these detailed analytic capabilities give you in-depth visibility into how visitors engage with your website. This will allow you to spot trends and quickly optimize where needed. With its robust reporting tools, HubSpot makes it easy to understand what's driving positive results for your business. Whether tracking monthly visitors or evaluating emails delivered, HubSpot offers a valuable lens into how customers are responding to your message. This will help you fine-tune your digital strategy and make smarter decisions that will yield maximum returns. Diving into number 5, interact with your customers at every stage of the buyer journey. The modern customer experience requires seamless channel integration, so HubSpot makes sure that all of its products work together. Their core CRM platform helps you track data from multiple sources, customers, and marketing campaigns. Then there's Sales Hub. This lets your sales team sync their emails and phone numbers, monitor performance, and identify places to improve lead generation. The all-in-one CMS hub helps you control your website content from a centralized dashboard. This includes blog posts, landing pages, website pages, and more. With Marketing Hub, your marketing team can manage all of the campaigns, including email marketing, social media marketing, and paid ads. But what about providing superior service for the customers you already have? Well, there's Service Hub, of course. It offers a range of features such as ticketing and automation, which can significantly improve your customer success team's efficiency. The Service Hub will allow them to streamline their workflows, manage customer inquiries, and resolve issues faster. The best part is that all of these functions feed into the one platform, a single source of truth that allows you to keep up with your customer communications across various channels. Coming in at number 6, the compliance and security features that you need. With GDPR and other compliance regulations emerging, securing your data and information has become more critical than ever. However, if your business uses cloud-based platforms like HubSpot, you don't even have to worry. They ensure that user privacy, data security, and regulatory compliance are taken seriously. They offer features like single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, encrypted messages, and secure file transfers to provide adequate security measures. All in all, HubSpot helps your business stay secure and remain compliant with any laws or regulations in place, so that you can focus on growing your business. At number 7, HubSpot is cost efficient and flexible. Ensuring your business stays competitive in the current environment takes a lot of hard work. Fortunately, HubSpot makes it easier by offering cost efficiency and flexibility. With HubSpot, you can significantly reduce the cost of essential tools. This includes marketing, sales automation, customer service, and more. Plus, their products offer a ton of flexibility to customize features according to your preferences and business needs. And the best part, HubSpot offers a free basic CRM to get you started. You can add more functionality as you need for it and pay for it only when you're ready. This makes it an excellent option for small businesses who are just starting out or those who have limited budgets. As your business grows and your needs change, you can easily upgrade to more advanced features without breaking the bank. HubSpot's flexibility and cost efficiency makes it a smart choice for businesses looking to stay competitive in today's market. Last up at number 8, exceptional ongoing customer support. The customer service of HubSpot is second to none. Customer service reps quickly respond to your queries with accurate and helpful information directly in the platform. They also provide 24/7 access to resources like tutorials, user forums, and support guides. This can eliminate the need for costly on-site IT personnel. On top of this, HubSpot is constantly innovating and seeking customer feedback to ensure its products are continuously improving. Overall, HubSpot's customer service ensures its users get the most out of their platform. Coming in at number 9, yes, we have a bonus round. It has literally everything you need in a marketing platform. If you're looking for an all-in-one marketing platform that simplifies the process of managing, creating, and tracking your content, then HubSpot is the perfect solution. It has all the things that you need to develop a successful online presence and grow your business. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced marketer, HubSpot is the perfect choice for your business to stay competitive in today's landscape. To wrap it up, HubSpot is an essential tool for any business looking to optimize its marketing strategy and to grow its customer base. It gives you a centralized platform where you can organize customer data, track user behavior across channels, and create personalized experiences that engage your visitors. Its automation features make it easier to manage mundane tasks, such as emails or notifications. HubSpot also allows you to access real-time data on each interaction, giving you the power to adjust tactics accordingly. HubSpot also provides excellent security and compliance features, cost efficiency and flexibility for small businesses, and exceptional customer service. All of these benefits make it one of the most comprehensive tools on the market, helping businesses stay competitive today and into the future. If I've convinced you but you still think you need some extra help implementing HubSpot in your business, please don't hesitate to reach out. There'll be a link down in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with all of our content. If you want to read more about HubSpot, customer relationship management, or a whole range of other topics, you'll find a link to our blogs down in the description below. That's it from me, guys. Happy marketing.